Hello, Captain Mumu here, and today I am at the University of Manchester again, and I'm in the Williamson building, and I found this. I think these are Dewhurst fixtures, but I'm not sure. Yeah, they are Dewhurst, blue Dewhurst. Surprising. Looks like an answer elevators with Dewhurst even. Huh. Think this is a traction lift, not hydraulic. Just banged a bit. Right. Here. Here. Yep. No lifts in there. Oh. Con. Rolling my eyes. Why did that happen? Right, it's at ground. And then it's going to go all the way down to... not basement, apparently. As you can see, there is the triangle key. I think it's going up. Long corridor. It's actually shorter when you look at it with your own eyes, but on this GoPro Black 7 it looks so long. And here we go. Here we go. I always say here we go. Yay, door close works. No, on some generic lifts, I think they are, the indicator can show a down arrow, but the arrows will go up, but the arrow animation will go up, which is strange. This is the basement floor. We'll go back to ground and then finish the vid. Don't know why that's just lit up for the door closed. And then bump. Oh, it doesn't bump. Like, I bet if I press, but when you press close, it for some reason showed open. But okay, that has been Captain Mumu in the Williamson building in the University of Manchester. So, bye.